Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhinastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganpati Mula Mantra. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Vidya Yoga Yukaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Dakshinamurti Guru Pratna. Ishvaro Guru Dhameni Murti Veda Vimahine Vyoma Vadyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Swami Vivekananda Pratna. Namah Shri Adhirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swami Neta Paharine Swami Neta Paharine. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Samgachatvam Sampadatvam Sambhomanaasi Janatam Deva Bhagayata Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manassaha Chittamesham Samanam Mantra Vimantrayevaha Samanena Vo Havishajuhomi Samani Vaakutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Manaha Yatha Vastu Sahasati. Panchangam Adhyatana Panchangam Saptavinshatyadhika Ekashatotara Panchasahasratama Kalyugabdaha Shri Vishwavasvanama Samvatsaraha Dakshinayanam Varsha Rituhu Bhadrapada Masaha Krishna Pakshaha Prathama Tithihi Purva Bhadra Nakshatram Thriti Yogaha Balavakaranam Induvasaraha. Today's date 28 September 2025 Monday. Tithesha Shriyamaknoti Varayushavarnam Nakshatra Yoga
Ma Kuru. Don't do. Mother Garvam, ego of wealth and ego by success. Today we are celebrating Onam. Very great Emperor Bali Chakravarti, Emperor Bali, in that very most auspicious age, Satya Yuga, Bali Chakravarti was performing many yajnas. Adhyo Vijanavanasmi, Konyosti Sudrisho Maya. Who is there like me? Yakshi Dasyami Modishi, I give so much wealth, charity, I am. Good, great values, that is what I am. Very great person, very famous for charity, famous for very good governance. So many high qualities. Only problem was Darpa, Jana, Mother Garbham. So that Krishna, Shri Vishnu, Mahavishnu, Vaikuntadipati Mahavishnu, he incarnated as small brahmachari, an innocent, tender-aged brahmachari, incarnated as Vamana, coming to Yagashala Bali Chakravarti. Bali was performing very big yajna, yaga. So when someone performs yaga, organizes yaga, his duty is to give charity. Whoever comes, he has to give. And Bali got that ego. I can give. I can purchase anyone. Any talent I can purchase. That what a very great man with so many qualities, but only with a small problem, it was ego. So Vishnu took that avatara and came to Yagashala. He told, now you are brahmachari coming to our Yagashala. Whatever you demand, it is my duty to fulfill. Demand. Demand. I can give. I have so much wealth. But Vishnu, Mahavishnu in Vamana incarnation, I don't want anything more. Want only 3 steps. 3 steps. Because I have to perform Sandhyavandanam, I have to do meditation of Gayatri. Give me just some small place. Only 3 steps. What 3 steps you are demanding? I am the owner of this whole great land. Samagra Bharatavarsha, Jambudvipe, Bharatakhande, Bharatavarsha, I am the real emperor. Demand something extra, something unique. But Vamana told Vishnu, Mahavishnu, 3 steps. 3 steps. What is this? 3 steps only. 3 steps. 3 steps only. So immediately Vamana became great Trivikrama. That type of body, all encompassing 3 steps, Bhu, Bhuva, Swaha, 3 lokas. That is how Vishnu, Vishnuprayapta, became so all-pervading Mahavishnu, Trivikrama Avatara. So that first step, second step, all Triloka, Bhu, Bhuva, Swa, everything was encompassed. Mahavishnu captured the whole area. Where to put the third step now? No place left. No step left. So immediately, where to? So Mahavishnu demanding, immediately you give to me. Because I have to give, I have to perform my Sandhyavandanam. Time is passing. I have to give place, no place left. So immediately Bali Chakravarti became so humble and gave his own, bowed down, gave his own head. And it was that symbolic, hidden meaning in this, that Mahavishnu made him so humble, so much with his virtue, very great person, Bali Chakravarti. He took that responsibility of giving this culture, great culture. You go to Patala and go there, in that Patala area in between 2 America now, that Panama area is called Pataloka. He sent him just to do the duty of cultural ambassador. It is not something crushed or something, some people will be just to make more an interesting story, they give all these interpretations. No, but the real hidden meaning is he was sent as a cultural ambassador to Pataloka, that is America. Today's America, it is Patal Dvipa it is. That is Panama area. So he was sent there, and just to revolutionize the whole society, culturally he transformed the whole society and gave dharma to them, all those downtrodden and Vanamasi Bandhus, tribal people, transformed their life. That is a symbolic thing hidden in that. So that afterwards, Bali Chakravarti asked, when I can come to my own Rashtra, Hindu Rashtra, once in a year you come. That day is called Onam in Kerala, and that day is called Bali Puja in Deepavali, in other areas. So that cultural ambassador, once in a year he comes and refreshes his knowledge and his wisdom, goes back and shares that knowledge to all those people. That is the symbolic meaning. So that great day of welcoming Bali Chakravarti, that is how in cultural ethos it is that all our Keralian friends decorate their houses, and Mahadwara will be decorated to welcome Bali Chakravarti. That is why they do this type of great alankara, so that happy welcome to Onam, happy welcome to Bali Chakravarti for cultural reformation. Thank you.
Namaste, happy Onam to all. On behalf of SVR Satyam to be University, we wholeheartedly welcome all the Power Grid employees who have come here for 5 days MED program. So we'll start this auspicious ceremony with lighting the lamp. I request all the dignitaries kindly join for the lighting the lamp. Asато ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityurma amrutam gamaya. Om asato ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityurma amrutam gamaya. Om asato ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityurma amrutam gamaya. Om shanti shanti shanti.
नमः